Man, isn't it
Yeah.
just a lovely day?
Yeah, it is. We got Mother Nature all around us. Over yonder, the big old ass squirrels. Yeehaw! Let's go look at nature.
And
Ain't this fun?
oh yeah, man, it's rained a lot.
Yeah, now down yon ways used to be a house pretty near 10 years ago. They tore it down.
Wow.
You walk up in front of me a little bit there, daughter.
All right, let me check it out. Oh, look at that. It's all nice and green.
Yep.
Oh,
Just pure love nature at its best. Yeehaw! Yeah, look at all this nature stuff.
man, look at this. This was all from that rain. Look how beautiful it is out here. Look, oh gosh, this is covered in rain. Oh gosh. Look how pretty it is. And look at all the,
Yeah,
oh
I
my,
know it is. Nature, it's quiet. Ain't nothing out here stirring or nothing.
look, that's a abandoned house.
Yes.
Oh, look how pretty
Oh,
it is out
I bet
here.
there's a goat in
Look at
there
all this
somewhere.
rain.
Water, there's something around it right there, I bet. Well, doggy, yeehaw, let's head back. Might be one of them big feet in here, them Sasquatchers. Nature at its best.
Ah!
There ain't a single soul out around here. I ain't seen nothing. Look at there, there's a damn mountain lion.
Is that? Oh, it's a kitty.
Hey, kitty, kitty.